hydro. All right, to create the formula from the name. All right, so we're going to kind of work backwards, right? So look at the prefix suffix of the first word. All right, nitric acid. Do we have a prefix? No. What is the ending? All right, the ending is ic. All right, so it's not hydroic, right? It is just ic. That makes it a type 2. All right, so we're going to use our naming rules backwards. All right, so looking at our chart, all right, we're here in a type 2. Ic came from what? 8. So we're going to change this ic back to an 8. So we know it is nitrate. All right. So, right, we know that it is nitrate. We can look up what nitrate is. All right, here we go. NO3 with a -1 charge. All right, so NO3 with a -1 charge. And then our cation, right? All acids start with what? Hydrogen. All right, so H, what's hydrogen's charge? +1. All right, so now we can write our formula just like we do normal ionics. So we're going to say our 1 and our 1 swap. So H, we don't write 1s. Again, NO3. 3 stays the same. Do not get rid of that 3, right? Don't change it to a 1. The 3 stays there. All right. There we go. So HNO3. All right. You guys try these ones. Firstly, tell me what's wrong with this one. What's wrong with it? Hydrogen. All right. No hydrogen. Nothing ever starts with hydrogen. Hydrogen should not be in that name. All right. Sulfurous acid. So tell me, what is the formula for sulfurous acid? All right, remember we're going to look at the ending, us, comes from that type 3 acid, so we're going to change us back to ite. Remember, sulfur is one of those weird ones, so the UR is going to go away too. So this is sulfite. All right, sulfite is SO3 with a -2 charge. Remember, all acids start with hydrogen. Hydrogen has a +1 charge. So my 1 and my 2 swap places. So it's the H2SO3. All right, now let's look at number 2, hydronitric acid. My ending is ic. I do have the prefix hydro, so my ic is going to turn back to an ide, and I'm just going to get rid of this hydro. All right, so nitride comes from nitrogen, which is in charge of -3. All acids start with hydrogen, +1. All right, my 1 and my 3 swap. So my answer is H3N. All right, and lastly, acetic acid ends in ic, no prefix hydro, so my acetic is, it comes from acetate, all right, acetate, which is C2H3O2 with a -1 charge. All acids start with hydrogen, which is +1, so my 1 and my 1 switch, so it becomes HC2H3O2. There is your answer for acetic acid. All right, and that is your acids. All right, here are bases, right?